Good afternoon to everyone. So myself, Arul Sullam, the assistant professor from AML department from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So now I am going to present a video about what is descriptive analytics in data analytics course. Here we are going to see about the overview and working and examples of descriptive analytics. So first we see the definition of descriptive analytics. It helps summarize past and current data to identify patterns and trends. It is the most commonly used type of data analysis and is essential for creating reports and dashboards. Next, if you see what is data analytics uses statistical measures, summaries and visualizations to explain what happened and what is happening now. It helps businesses understand past performance and current trends, forming the foundation for deeper analysis. So if you see the types of data analytics, we can categorize into different types. One is what descriptive analytics. So it describes what happened, that is what summarizes past data. And next one is diagnostic analytics. Why did it happen? It finds reasons behind trends. And next one is predictive analytics. It describes what might happen, that is forecast future trends. And next one is prescriptive analytics. What should do we next? That is what suggest actions based on predictions. Next, if you see the example of descriptive analytics, a hospital analyzing patients' records might calculate average emergency room wait times and then identify the most common diagnosis and then track yearly admission trends over using charts. So this helps them improve patient care by optimizing resources and reducing wait times. Next we will see how does the descriptive analytics work. So descriptive analytics simplifies historical data to highlight trends and insights, often using reports and dashboards. It is more focused on summarizing data than making predictions. So by understanding past events, businesses can make informed decisions and improve future performance. So these are the steps of descriptive analytics working. So first step is data collection, and next step is cleaning the data and pre-processing, and the next step is data analysis, and the next step is compilation and summary, and the next step is visualization, and the next step is fiction creation, and the next step is interpretation, and then the final step is testing actively. So this we'll see in some details. So first step is data collection. So here we have to gather relevant data from databases, spreadsheets and other sources. Accurate and high quality data is essential for reliable analytics. And next step is data cleaning and pre-processing. It organizes data into a uniform format, remove errors and handling missing values to ensure accuracy. And next step is data analysis. It uses exploratory data analysis techniques like histograms and scatter plots to identify patterns and trends. And the next step is compilation summary. Here we need to calculate key metrics like mean, median, mode and standard deviation to provide an overview of the data. And next step is visualization. Here we need to represent data using charts and graphs to highlight trends and make insights easily understandable. And next step is contextual explanation. Here we have to create narratives to explain the data clearly, making it accessible to a broader audience. Next step is interpretation. Here we need to analyze trends and patterns to gain meaningful insights and set the foundation for future analysis. And the final step is conclusion. To update analytics regularly as new data becomes available to keep track of changing trends. Next we'll see some of the advantages of descriptive analytics. First one is data-driven decisions help businesses make informed choices based on factual data. And next one is simplifies data. It converts complex data into easy to understand reports and visuals. And next step is easy to use. That is requires both math skill, basic math skill and common tools like Excel or Python. Next one is cost effective. It is simple to implement with minimal resources. Next one is identifies key metrics, that is highlights important data points for better insights. Next we'll see some of the disadvantages of descriptive analytics. It does not explain causes, that is only shows what happened but not why it happened. And next one is limited analysis scope, focuses on basic relationship between variables. And next step is no predictions, does not forecast future outcomes. And next one is not suitable for real-time decisions, works with summarized data which may not be fast enough for immediate decision making. And next one is struggles with unstructured data, best suited for structured data only. Making analysis of text, images or multimedia, it is more challenging here. Next we'll see some of the applications of descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics is widely used across various industries to analyze past data, improve decision making and enhance efficiency. So here are some of the key applications. First one is financial performance evaluation. That is helps businesses track key performance indicators to detect trends, assess past performance and improve strategic planning. And next one is marketing and customer behavior analysis. It analyzes customer interactions, purchasing patterns and preferences to improve marketing strategies. And next one is business process optimization. It identifies inefficiencies and bottlenecks in workflows, helping businesses streamline operations. Next one is social media analytics. It evaluates user engagement, content performance and audience demographics to refine some social media strategies. The next one is crime and fraud detection. That is law enforcement and financial institutions use it to identify patterns in crime and detect fraudulent activities. Next one is cryptocurrency market analysis. So tracks historical price trends and market behaviors to help investors make informed decisions. And next one is human resource management. Analyzes employee performance, turnover rates and training effectiveness to improve workforce management. And next one is risk assessment and management. Helps industries like banking and insurance identify historical risk and develop mitigation strategies. Thank you.